Hi, it's Kevin from kevinsclassroom.com. We're going to do an exponent. This is one that my student sent me, and it was the following. Simplify 25 to the power of n minus 25 to the power of n plus 1 divided by 5 to the power of 2n plus 2 minus 5 to the power of 2n. Please note that in this we've got positives and minuses, and remember you cannot do this. That 7 doesn't cancel with that guy because there's a plus and a minus at the top. So what do? We first of all, we take step 1, I bracket around my numbers. There we go. In these cases you can as well, but remember they are already prime factors. So number 1 is I put my brackets in. Number 2 is I go to prime factors. How do I do that? Well, 25 is 5 squared, and outside is n, minus 5 squared on top to the power of n plus 1, over 5 to the power of 2n plus 2, minus 5 to the power of 2n. Now, my next step is I remove I remove the brackets, right? Just move it up. Next step is step 3 is multiply the exponent into the bracket. So what have I got? I've got 5, and remember this is a multiply here now. So that's going to be 5 to the power of 2n minus 5 to the power of 2n plus 2, all divided by, just move it up a bit there, all divided by 5 to the power of 2n plus 2 minus 5 to the power of 2n. What is my next step? My next step, number 4, is going to be split. So I say, right, this is going to then be 5 to the power of 2n minus 5 to the power of 2n times 5 to the 2, all divided by 5 to the 2n times 5 to the 2 minus 5 to the 2n. Now, my next step is there's an extra step here. I have to factorize. Why? Because I want to cancel out. That's where I'm headed. So if I factorize that, I'll just do it over here. I can take out 5 to the 2n. Leaves with 1 minus 5 squared, correct? Take out a 5 to the 2n at the bottom. Leaves us with 5 squared minus 1. Now you can see, look, cancels out. In the brackets, we are left with 1 minus 25 over 25 minus 1, which is going to be equal to 1 minus 25 is going to be minus 24 divided by 24, which is equal to minus 1. Straightforward, simple. Remember the steps. Put the brackets in, prime factors, split, factorize, cancel out, and work out what you're left. Usually, you are left with numbers in there and there. They could be fractions. On the website, there's ones where I've done with quite a lot of fractions. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Cheers.